Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful Valentine's Day makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what other makeup looks you would like to see on my channel. So no further ado, let's go ahead and get started creating this look. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Morphe foundation. I went ahead and I primed and I moisturized my face before this. I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation, and I do one layer first. After that I go ahead and I add one more layer to my cheeks just because I do like the full coverage. So I go ahead and add a second layer after. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything out, make sure everything's really nice and blended. And I'll list all the products and the numbers of everything that I use down below. I do try to link everything with the discount code so you guys can find it easier and you'll be able to use a discount code. So definitely check the down bar. So I'm just making sure everything is really nice and blended, as you guys can see. I really like this color. I feel like it really matches. Doesn't make me look orange or anything like that. So I will list it down below for you guys. After that, I'm going to go ahead and use my concealer from Morphe as well, and I will list the name down below for you guys. And I'm going to apply this under the eyes, on my nose, on my chin, Cupid's bow, and on my forehead. And I will be using the same beauty sponge to blend everything out. So I just used a one shade lighter than my foundation, and I just like to use that to kind of just brighten my eyes. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and blend that all out just to make sure that, you know, it's really nice and blended with the same beauty sponge. So then I'm gonna go with my Peach Perfect setting powder. You guys already know I use this like in all my videos. I love this because it keeps me matte all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and set wherever I concealed. I've been trying to go more like in the dewy, but I can't because I get like really oily when I don't set. So I've been trying to just set under the eyes, like my forehead, literally just the T-zone. I just try to kind of do that and then leave my cheeks alone a bit, but I kind of use whatever's left of the powder. I use it to blend that out into my cheeks and all that with the brush. So you guys can see that's what I'm doing right now, just making sure everything is really nice and blended. I don't really add any more powder because I really don't want to be too matte, but that's how it ends up at the end. I don't know. I'm trying to see how I can do it so I'm oily, but not too oily, but I'm dewy. Anyways, so I'm going with the Buxom bronzer. I do like to apply a lot because when I blend everything out, it just kind of evens itself out. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my cheeks, my jawline, and my forehead, just to give me a little contour here and there, you know, just to make my face appear a little bit slim and not too round or too chickmunk cheeks, as a lot of people like to call me. So yeah. Alright, then I like to go back with that same brush and just kind of blend everything so it doesn't look too harsh. Just blend, make sure everything's really nice and blended. I'm going to go with my concealer from e.l.f. and I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow base. I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my lid and just blend it all out with this beauty sponge. And I'm making sure that it's really nice and blended. And I kind of like to keep doing the blending part just until it feels a little bit dry. So I'm going to go ahead and use a 35 OASIS palette. You will be seeing a few looks with this palette because these videos are kind of pre-recorded. So when I was pre-recording, I got this palette in the mail and I was like, you know what, I'm going to film a few videos using this palette. You guys know me, I like to do a few looks using the same palette so you guys can see how you can create all these different looks with just one palette. So yeah. So I'm just applying that pink shade onto my crease and blending that. Then I'm going with this darker color, this darker pink, and I'm going to start applying this in the inner corner and outer corner of the eye, doing kind of like a sandwich look. That's what I like to call it. So I'm just packing the color in, and then I do like to take my time with it just to make sure that the colors are as pigmented as I like them. So that's what I'm doing here, taking my time and just blending everything. Then I'm going to add this darker color, and I'm just going to make that a little bit darker because I felt like it needed a little something. So yeah, then I'm going with the same concealer and applying that right onto the center of the lid because I'm going to apply that beautiful shimmery turquoise. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm going to actually use my finger because I felt like it just did a better job. So yeah, just applying it with my finger, making sure that it's as pigmented as I like it. Then I'm going with the white shade, and I'm going to apply this right onto my brow bone just to blend everything out, making sure that everything is really nice and blended. Blending is key, you know. So yeah, then I'm going to apply a little bit more concealer to the bottom lash line. And then I'm going to use a pencil brush and apply some of that shimmery turquoise color on the bottom lash line just to give it that pop. Then I'm going to use this color, and I'm going to apply it right in the inner corner. It's like a turquoise, lighter turquoise. Then I'm going to use the bold makeup lashes, and so extra, you can definitely use prettygrace for some money off. I love bold makeup lashes. They're amazing. Then I'm going to use a pencil that is a light skin color and applying this right into my waterline just to make the eye look pop a little bit. Then I'm going with my Buxom mascara and applying to the top and bottom lashes just to make them pop, and then make my lashes stick together with the falsies so you can't see the difference of the separation of the lashes. So that's what we want to do. Then for highlight, I am using Veramona's highlighter, and it is so pretty. Look at that, it just beaming. I love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the temples of my cheeks. I mean, apples of my cheeks, my temples, my nose, the bridge of my nose. So all that good stuff, wherever we want that to pop, that's where we're gonna go ahead and apply it. And I think that's like my second favorite part of what I do, is applying my highlighter, because I do apply a lot. I love it. And then we're gonna add a little bit to our chin. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our lip colors. These are from Time Los Angeles, and I'll list the colors down below. I did mix two. One's more a little darker pink, and the other one's a little bit lighter, so I kind of wanted like an ombre type of thing, but I didn't want it to be too light. So I went ahead and added the darker pink first, and then I added the lighter pink in the center just to kind of give me that dimension. So yeah, and that's kind of basically all I did. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of setting spray, and this should be the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel out so much, you guys. This year I really want to grow, so if you guys can do me that big favor and give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.